Okay, real talk. Why are we still paying $1,000 for a top? Okay, are you still paying $1,000 for a top? Are you still paying $1,000 for a top? Because Myntra out here is literally giving us full-blown summer goddess tops under 500 rupees, girls. Yes, you heard that right. I just found 6 tops that are chef kiss and your wallet will thank you. If you're a teen or an adult, juggling work, studies, work plans, or that small situationship, this haul is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, which is just about things with me. My name is RISHIKA and I am back with another clothing haul video today. And I think by now I should call myself a budget queen for sure. I hope you enjoyed my last haul, which was from Flipkart. I showed some lovely, elegant shirts just under 550 rupees. Now you know why I call myself a budget queen. Few shots I went up to, so definitely check that out if you haven't already. So this Myntra haul, right, was long overdue. I've been mentioning in all my recent videos that it's coming soon, but I had to get through the early ones first, so sorry for the delay. But hey, summer is still here, and so are my recommendations for summer top. So let's get into the video. Okay, the first top that I have is right here. This one's definitely very bold in terms of color. It is neon green, wearable sunshine. So the brand is Whisker, and I've bought extra small and the amount will be displayed on the screen. It is sleeveless like you can see, and there is high neck. Let me show you girls how this looks on me. As I'm here, I glow and I know. Okay, neon green, sleeveless and bold. I'm pretty sure this is for the days that you want attention. You can get spotted from real far. Like just look at the color, you girls. I love the fit for sure. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I also have another top in this color already, but I think this material is definitely better than the one that I have. Fabric is so light and stretchy and super breathable. I'm loving it. Throw it on your cargos or ripped jeans. Boom. Summer baddie girl unblocked. I love it. What do you think? Comment and let me know. Let us call this vitamin C. Though vitamin C usually comes in orange color. Well, the second top that I have has some ethnic touch and a Desi girl vibe. Ta-da! Yes, it's definitely bright like you can see. If you remember, I showed you girls the same top in white. So I bought another one in pink as well because I really liked it. It is pure cotton and the brand is Ahvan. I can't pronounce this. And I've got it in the size medium because I wanted it to be a little looser than the white that I showed. And it has some embroidery going on. It's a very pretty top, you girls. Let me show you girls how this looks on me. Ignore the bottom for now, but this dark pink number definitely has that ethnic twist. I am loving it. It is sleeveless, very breathable, comfortable, dark. I love it. It's perfect when you want to mix that indie and insta. Great for college, casual lunch, or even for your friends healthy if you're feeling chaotic. Pair it with oxidized earring and fusion queen realness. The third top that I have is in black and white. Ta-da! It is this striped black and white high neck sleeveless top from the brand Roadster. It's definitely giving chic but chill vibes. Like you can see, it is. I've worn this already so many times. The material is really soft. Like I said, the brand is Roadster. And I've taken in size large. I don't know why, but it fits really nice because this is that expandable material and I love it. So let me show you girls now how this looks on me. Now this is 10 on 10 stylish with zero effort. Like, it's giving Pinterest girl on budget vibe. Just look at it, girls. It is damn comfortable. I love the material. I love the fit. Though I've taken a size large, I don't know. It is still fitting me really well. It is such a clean girl vibe. Like, any and every girl can own this one. The color is gonna match everybody. I love the fact it is so soft and nice. You can wear this under a blazer or even a solo with a skirt or a denim shorts. One works everywhere. If you like that minimal but want to look sharp, then this top is for you. The fourth top that I have is no less than a freshly squeezed orange. It is this one, such a pretty lovely color. Like you can see, it is giving that ice cream orange. And the brand is Toki Rockies. Now this one is again pure cotton. I love it. I've not worn this. This is pretty new, so I'll have to see the fit. And I've got size M. I definitely love this one too. I'm very sure it's going to look so... Anyways, let me show you guys how this looks on me. And ignore the bottom. This one screams summer. It is super soft, very breathable. Like I said, it's cotton and 10 on 10. Like, oh my god, I love this. It is so beautiful. It is so minimum. It is definitely not trying too hard. Still makes you look so put together. Great for running errands, casual dates, or just chilling on your terrace. You will wear this more than you think. It is that comfortable, you girls. You can ignore my bottom if it's not suiting, but it is going to look so nice on denim pants, denim shorts, even skirts actually, or even a pajama, even a lounge pant at home. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's actually very effortless and so pretty and cute. I love the color. What do you girls think? The fifth top that I have, I've already worn it for my other haul video. I guess if you've seen it, it is in the dark green. It's sexy, one shoulder top. Ta-da! I love this top because the material is to die for. It is so damn soft. I've worn it. It sits and hugs the body so well. I've just worn it for the haul, not outside. And this is giving flirty but focused. I've taken extra small because it has to sit really well. And I'll show you guys how this looks on me. Hello, showstopper. Now this one is what I call control chaos. Just look at this. It is sexy but not trying too hard. Just enough drama to get compliments. I love it. Like, I really love it. If you remember, I wore this for one of my... Why do I just stop these? One of my videos, girls. Beyond being sexy, it is so comfortable to dance with this also. So good. The material is so nice. It is not something which is going to choke you. It is so soft. For some reason, I'm feeling so cold. Not because it is feeling cold, because the material is cold, you guys. Not because the weather is cold. This one is surely made for those rooftop home parties. I love it. Love this. Best paid with those chunky hoops and really grabbing some selfies in this. It is gorgeous. I love it. Sixth and the last top that I have for today is something that I got for myself for a home workout. So it's pretty basic and it's in the color black. Yeah, this is the top, and the brand is Roadster again. Got it in extra small. It's a pretty basic home workout top. The material is good. It looks like cotton. I think it's supposed to sit really well. The size that I've got is extra small, and yeah, let me show you girls how this looks on me. I said this is for workout, but technically speaking, who would question if you wear it for errands or for grocery shopping or just chill at home? It's perfect. More than everything, it's so damn comfortable, you girls. I think if I tuck in, it'll become a nice crop top also. See? Breathable, low-key gives Skims. I'm kidding. It's definitely Myntra energy, but I love it. Seriously telling, it is not that polyester material and it's so breathable and I'm loving it. If you're on a budget, here it is. Whether you're lifting or just lifting your cold coffee, this top is for you. I can't believe I just made that up. Jokes apart, this is a very comfortable, pretty looking top, you girls. So definitely give it a try if you like it. I generally bought this, like I said, for my home workouts, and I'm going to pretty much wear this, I guess. This is also going to look so nice on the tights, though I prefer a longer t-shirt on my tights, but at home nobody's going to question, so yeah. That's it for today, I guess. Thank you so much for loving all my previous video. I love you, girl. Tell me which one is your vibe in the comment section. Is it the glowy neon, flirty fusion, or the gym glam? I would love to know. And yes, all the links are in the description. No gatekeeping. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Also, stay stylish.